It is Fun Sport Friday, and we're going to the Inuit Ear Pulling Championships. Nice victory here. Check out this next guy, Stone Cold Killer. Wax string around both ears, just sitting in the igloo, wondering how are we going to pass time. They say the goal of this, ooh, I won, is to just endure pain. That's the entire goal of this sport. See who can endure pain. Got a lot of, this guy, he looks like he's crying already. He's, oh my God. Oh, he won, but I think his ear lost. Oh my God, this guy's a silent killer. Holy shit, he just snapped that. That dude's ear's bleeding. That dude's ear is bleeding. Now, look at the blood. Oh my God, Stone Cold Killer on the right. Oh, yeah, you're bleeding, dude. Your ear's bleeding. Okay, good game. You beat me. Yeah, my ear's bleeding. I endured pain. Okay, here we go. So they say that, the life is tough. Inuit life's tough, so they gotta teach their kids to endure pain. So this is a game they played. Seems fucking nuts. Here we go. Stone Cold Killer. Oh, snaps that guy. That sends blue shirt to the loser's bracket. Here's the loser's bracket. Oh my God. His face and his ear are so scrunched. The whole dude's life is scrunched up. Other guy wins, but did he? Because he's crying. It's all about enduring pain. Oh my God. Nice quick victory there. Some tears. That had to hurt, but he moves on. Now he's going to face blue shirt, and the winner of this gets to face that killer in the championship. Oh my God. Blue shirt loses round 1. We got tears in the eyes. We got, blue shirt wins round 2. Rubber match. Blue shirt gets it. All the pain the other dude endured for nothing, but now he's got to face the Stone Cold Killer. Stone Cold Killer says, hey man, you're bleeding on the rope. Just get that blood out of here. Beats him 2 in a row. This guy showed up in jeans, a collared shirt, and a vest. He's going to walk over to the table and put on his reading glasses and say, okay, yeah, I'm the world champion ear puller. I got to go back to my day job, though. Thanks for having me. See ya. What is going on here?